Even the cabinet note says that universally, since it is a language that you can better up your prospects. Yogam Bab just now said the child is picking up the subject. The child doesn't pick it up, the parents pick it up. And therefore it has been my demand from day one, let it be parent choice. And those 30,000 students, those parents have chosen that.
Do you accept one thing which I asked Savio Bab also? The decision looks more of a political decision than an educational decision.
100% a hypocritic political decision stands exposed nude. And therefore I said he thought, he has assessed one thing, that majority wants English. The figures show it very clearly. The figures in all primary schools very clearly show it that English is preferred. And he has got by that. But he has sadly mistaken, there is a well-known saying, that when God wants to finish you, He makes you mad first. And He has taken this decision, He has lost both the sides.
बरं, म्हाका एक गजाल सांग किशोर, इतली सगळी हिटेड डिबेट आयकले. म्हणजे दोन मुद्दे आहेत. पहिलो आहा तो मेरिट्स ऑफ द डिसिजन. दुसरो मुद्दो आसा तो मेरिट्स ऑफ द स्टँड ऑफ मनोहर पर्रीकर. मेरिट्स ऑफ द डिसिजन वॉज वॉट सावयवा वॉज डिबेटिंग. तो म्हणटालो की हे अमके जातलें हे दोन सब्जेक्ट चेंज जातले. दीज आर द मेरिट्स ऑफ द डिसिजन. जे आता भितर मेजॉरिटी किती जाय हे जाय एंड इट कॅन बी डिबेटेड वेदर वॉट इज अ युनिवर्सल थिंग, वॉट इज अ थिंग फॉर गोवा, वेदर दिस युनिवर्सल थिंग अप्लायज फॉर गोवा और डजंट अप्लाय फॉर गोवा इज अ डिबेटेबल थिंग where you need educational experts to do that.
Absolutely.
Let me finish.
हांव आता तुझ्या वाक्यासून सुरू करूंक सोदता की येस
ना म्हजो मुद्दो ह्यो आसा. बट द पॉइंट इज किशोर, जेन्ना ह्यो सगळी गजाली आसात, देर आर मेरिट्स ऑफ डिसिजन.
येस
as far as merit of the stand is concerned, जय युगांकय आसा, why he is feeling betrayed? He is feeling betrayed because same Manohar Parrikar told him before the election that I am all out for what Savio Lopez Bab is fighting for. He is completely against it. That was Manohar Parrikar's stand. Correct, Savio Bab?
Yes.
And today, that stand, if you look at this decision, looks completely opposite.
No,
that is where Yugang's point is, he is feeling betrayed. He said, I did not expect this from Manohar Parrikar. I did not expect this from Manohar Parrikar.
Yes, I accept.
Yeah.
Feeling betrayed युगांकाकूय दिसतले, सावियोक थोड्या प्रमाणात दिसतले. त्यांच्या बरोबर हा, त्यांच्या भावनाचा हांव आदर करता. काल प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सीन मुख्यमंत्र्यान स्पष्टपणान सांगला की येस, आपण जी पहिली भूमिका घेतलेली त्या भूमिकेतून आपल्याक थोडी फारकत घेवची पडली. आय हॅव टू एक्सेप्ट. तुम्ही युनिव्हर्सल हे म्हणता की मातृभाषेतूनच मातृभाषेच्या व्याख्याचेर आमी या नका. मातृभाषेतून शिक्षण जावंक जाय ह्या विचाराचो आपुणूय आसा. बट देर आर स्टील लोकांच्यो कांय वेगळ्यो भावना आसात. तेचोय आपल्याक एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून आदर करपाक जाय. अशा दोनाय गोष्टीसून त्यांनी सुवर्ण मध्य साधला. एक सांगता
म्हजो प्रश्न की हे ओपोजिशन असताना मनोहर पर्रीकारा
एकूच गोंधळ प्रमोद आमच्या कडसून जाता की अपोजिशनान जेन्ना तो असलो पळय, दॅट वॉज पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. पॉलिटिकल पळय युगांक आयक जे भुरगे म्हाका तेंचो अभिमान दिसता की तांकां मातृभाषे बद्दल प्रेम आसा. जे भुरगे मातृभाषेच्या प्रेमान इंग्लिश नाका कोंकणी जाय म्हणून जेन्ना आंदोलन करतले, तेच भुरगे जेन्ना तुका इंग्लिश व्यासपीठाचेर दिसतात पळय, तेन्ना विचार करणारो माणूस अरे हो फटफट करून इंग्लिश उलयता मरे. आणि हांगा इंग्लिश ना आयक उलोवपाचे ना प्रश्न उलोवपाचो येना हांगा. पॉलिटिकल आणि हे तुम्ही डिफरन्स समजून घ्या. पॉलिटिकल मनोहर पर्रीकाराचो पॉइंट युगांकाक दिसता की मनोहर पर्रीकारान मातृभाषेचो घात केलो म्हणून. पळया तांचो घात केलो. हय मातृभाषेचो केलो काय ते मागीर वेगळी डिबेट. ना तांचो घात केलो कित्याक तर ते एका राजकीय पॉलिटिकल पक्षाचेर किंवा राजकीय नेत्याचेर तेंच्यांनी चड विश्वास दवरलो म्हणून त्यांचो विश्वासघात जालो. चूक तांची म्हाका माझो
तुमचे आंदोलन तुम्ही बीजेपी आणि आरएसएसक हायजॅक करपा दिले. आज जेन्ना ते पावर तुमकां बिट्रेयल
फाल्यां आयक माझो प्रश्न एकूच, तुमकां तुमचो खंय तरी हे हर्ट झालो म्हणून तुम्ही डिसिजनाचेर टिका करू नका.
कशें
Absolutely right.
तुम्ही डिसिजनाचेर टिका करू नका. तुम्ही आंदोलन करताले ह्या निर्णयामुळे तुमका खंय तरी लोक विचारतले म्हणून तुम्ही डिसिजन
बेसिकली यू आर सेइंग की द मेरिट ऑफ द स्टँड आणि मेरिट ऑफ द डिसिजन कन्फ्यूज करून स्टँड घेऊ नका.
की दिगंबर कामत जेन्ना स्टँड घेतलो कळ्ळें तेन्ना ही डिबेट पॉलिटिकल जाली. एवरी पार्टी हॅड टू डिसायड वेर दे स्टँड. एनसीपी तुगेलो नीलकंठ ढवळणकार आनी एनसीपी हाचे भितर सदांच टसल आशिल्ली तुका ह्या मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शनाच्या इशू बाबतींत. जाल्यार भारतीय जनता पार्टीन सरळ सांगलें की आमी मातृभाशेंतल्यान शिक्षण आमी ह्या सरकाराच्या धोरणाक विरोध करता. जाल्यार तेन्ना हो राजकीय मुद्दो जालो. We supported it because we didn't had a political setup. फाल्यां जर आमी जेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकार एका तत्वाची भुमिका मांडटा जाल्यार फाल्यां मनोहर पर्रीकार सोडून आनी कोणाचेर विश्वास दवरपाक शकताले तेन्ना जेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकार आमच्या बरोबर
तूं बदलपाक शकना सत्य बदलतकीर.
डेफिनेटली नॉट.
We are missing the point. There is a person who has made the decision. This is not come from the air. This man has not even taken his alliance partner main into confidence before this note was declared. He walked out for the press conference. 1 minute, and I have confirmed it. He did not read the leader of the alliance partner, MGP, who was there for the press conference, walked out for the press conference before the question could be asked. Number one. Number two, Yogan should not feel that he's been betrayed. Because Manohar Parrikar has betrayed sentiments of all sections of the people. Regional planning is betrayed, casino is betrayed, corruption he has betrayed, medium of instruction is betrayed. What is left? So where's the question of feeling hurt?
Okay.
My point is only one. On the decision, 30,000 students have been betrayed.
Okay, Rasayo, my point is this, and I wanted some clear-cut answer. And what is Yugam saying, and even Kishore is saying. They म्हणतात की election पयली Manohar Parrikar was somebody who was against you. And he has taken a clear-cut stand ki I don't believe and I don't agree with what Savio Lopez is propagating. Correct? आता तो पावरा आयलो आणि ताणी हे डिसिजन घेतलें with which you are happy. What they are trying to say is it is not your point of view that he has accepted. He has not agreed with Savio Lopez. He still says ki if it was up to me, I would have made Marathi or Kokni or mother tongue as the only medium of instruction at primary level.
Correct.
But this decision is not out of the conviction with which you are speaking. Chief Minister is not carrying that same conviction ahead. For him, it's a political decision, although maybe that benefits your point of view.
Because the majority want this. That's
Now,
important.
That is what,
uninterrupted, if you give me
uninterrupted 2 minutes to you so that I'll take final comments.
One thing is, my friend Yugang, I don't think in this entire 2 years he has been I'm meeting him for the first time face to face. I've never met him earlier. He had a dialogue with pro and whatever. Given a chance, give me 6 months. I'll convince Yugang also.
What my point is, you're not convinced Manohar
There are two things. No, I'm telling you.
You're not convinced Manohar Parrikar.
No, I'm telling you one thing.
Yes.
I'll tell you one thing. I'll convince Yugang Naik that, and he'll be on the same page with me. And I'll tell you why. Listen.
But you're not convinced Manohar Parrikar.
No, I'm not convinced. Listen to me. Listen. Give me a chance. I will bring him on the same page. Okay. That's one thing. Second thing is, yes, okay, you say that Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Honorable Chief Minister, his view is one. But
my thing is, the decision is not out of conviction but compulsion.
No, listen.
You are on conviction, Savyaba.
Listen, I'll come with it. See, if at all I was also a hard-hit man, like you saying that no, English is English and it has to be English for everyone. You understood? If my conviction, my real gut feeling is every school in Goa should be in English medium, given an option for every school. That is my deep thing.
Okay.
But inside, I say yes. I have compromised, saying that yes, please go ahead with Marathi Konkani, because I have to respect the sentiments of a section of the
You
people.
are saying respect your sentiments also.
Respect my sentiments, because see, for me it's English.
And what about those 30,000
Wait,
students?
I'll come to you.
Listen,
I'll
Mr.
come to
Tarjan,
you. I'll come to you.
I'll give you your answer in 2 minutes before I go here, because he is only on private schools. I don't know whether
No,
he's
no,
got
I'm
somebody
the
in private.
students.
No. I'll come to that.
Quickly finish your point.
Second thing
Quickly
is,
finish your point.
second thing is,
Yeah.
Mr. Yugang.
Yeah.
He is for Konkani.
Yeah.
I don't object to him.
Yeah.
I don't say, Mr. Yugang, you have to put your child into English medium. That is a dirty
You are
thing of
telling
mine.
you don't tell me where to
Where
send
to send my child.
Okay,
I need an option.
Point taken, point taken.
Second thing is
Last point.
Last point is I'll finish Mr. Tarjan.
Don't finish him. He's very nice.
No. In the sense see, he says that 30,000 students
Yeah.
are teaching in English, so they are betrayed. I'll just finish that once.
Quickly.
One thing for sure,
Yeah.
Mr. Tarjan has agreed that English is important and it is needed.
Very important.
Very important.
Yeah.
So on that we are on the same page.
Okay.
Second thing is, if I'll say today I will fight with Tarjan that even the private schools should get English. What will happen is, who runs the school are the managements. The management shuts down the schools and they go. Overnight they can shut down the school.
Quickly.
So what happens is, it is not with the parent. The management will just shut down the schools. Where the parents go? No way. I have opened a window where they can come if they want English and they cannot afford to pay that fees. Please come into a section of society where you get English.
Okay, done. Kishore, I'll come to you. Kishore, एकूण सगळे डिबेट आले. फायनल कमेंट्स एकच 2 पॉइंट मुद्द्यांचेर. पॉलिटिकल डिसिजन का एज्युकेशनल डिसिजन, गुड डिसिजन का बॅड डिसिजन?
इट इज प्युअरली एज्युकेशनल डिसिजन, सिम्स टू बी पॉलिटिकल डिसिजन. दिसतलेच कित्याक ह्या विशयाशी राजकारण हे पयली पासूनच संबंधित आहा. कळ्ळें?
So you are saying that the decision on this topic cannot be
द
non-political.
डिसिजन इज परफेक्टली इन द बेनिफीट ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स. कित्याक तेणी जशें म्हटलां, सावयन सांगला पळय, आमी पयलीं विचार करूंक जाय की प्राथमीक स्तराचेर 1ली ते 4थी कितके सब्जेक्ट आसतात. आतां युगांकान सांगलें तशें पाडे शिकना म्हणटा तो. तुका पाडे शिकोवपाक घरान कोणीच बंदी करूंक ना. तूं इंग्लिशेक सुद्दां भुरग्याक धाडून घरान पाडे शिकोवंक शकता. आणि आता प्रत्येक मराठी पेरंट्स विचार कितें करतात जाणा, मराठी किंवा कोंकणी आमी घरान भुरग्याक शिकोवंक शकता. आय वॉन्ट हिम टू लर्न इंग्लिश.
Okay, बरें. Rajan Bab, two things: political decision, educational decision, good decision, bad decision.
It is a bad decision for the simple reason, as I said, 30,000.
Okay.
Number 2, if Konkani has to be saved, the bilingual has to be in Romi lip. Because the one who's choosing English...
Again, coming back to your political stand.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
the one who is taking English is not wanting Devanagiri. As simple as that.
Okay.
By just putting it there and showing that you have done something when actually you are killing it.
Don't do an eyewash.
Yes, don't do an eyewash.
Okay.
सगळ्यांत
श्रीकांत बाब, 2 मुद्दे. पहिले पॉलिटिकल डिसिजन का एज्युकेशनल डिसिजन, गुड डिसिजन का बॅड डिसिजन? फायनल कमेंट सर.
दिस इज अ पॉलिटिकल क्लियर कट पॉलिटिकल डिसिजन. कळ्ळें? आनी जो रजन बाबान सांगलें बायलिंग्वल, ही फकाणां सगळीं.
ओके.
कितें मिडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन कित्याचेर तुगेलें डिटरमायन जाता. इट इज इन द लँग्वेज in which he answers the exam. That is the medium of instruction. तू ताका उर्दून शिकय, कन्नड शिकय, पूण तू तर इंग्लिशींतल्यान
लास्ट प्रश्न म्हजो.
म्हाका
तुम्ही दिगंबर कामत गेट वेल सून केलें, आता मनोहर पर्रीकार गेट वेल सून करतले?
डेफिनेटली ही जी ना, दिस इज द व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग की आमी सगळो आतां डिबेट केली, पूण आमी मूळ मुद्दो विचारलो की ही 130 शाळा कन्वर्ट जाली कशी. हांचेर कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट आशिल्लो, ही बेकायदेशीर रितीन
तेच म्हणटा. आता तुम्ही आंदोलन करतले, आता तुमकां आनी कोण तरी पॉलिटिकल जाय पडटलो आंदोलन करपाक?
डेफिनेटली एकदा
आता काँग्रेस आणि राष्ट्रवादी
की योगांग when that case was withdrawn was silent.
Okay.
कोण? हांव सायलंट नाशिल्लो. त्या BBSMच्या पापाचे गंगेन म्हाका बुडोवपाक.
लास्ट टाइम मनोहर पर्रीकार गेट वेल सून जातले?
गेट वेल सून हे व्हरता, पूण वी आर नॉट एग्रीइंग टू दिस डिसिजन.
विल यू एजिटेट?
ऑफ कोर्स येस.
इतल्याचे हांव थांबता. म्हाका दिसता
You are not giving me the closing.
No, closing was I started with you.
Closing
I started with you
because I'll tell you. Closing has
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
Yeah, I will close it.
नाजाल्यार मागीर म्हाका दिवचें पडटलें.
कोण करता?
One thing is,
Let them continue. So you
have another debate.
You have another debate
with the same group, and I want you to come with me.
So I'll stop here and wait. Time सामको सोंपला. I know intensity कितली आसा डिबेटाची, पण हांव कसोच आनी वाडोवपाक शकना. टायम सोंपला. तुम्ही आयले, इतली बरी डिबेट. म्हाका दिसता खुबश्यो गजाली गोंयकारां मुखार आतां स्पश्ट जाल्ल्यो आसतल्यो. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.